to Ash Cash Tash, where we believe that everyone can achieve financial success. In this video, we're going to share the secrets of building a passive income empire. But hey, don't worry, building wealth doesn't have to be a boring and daunting task. We've gathered information from a variety of sources to give you the most up-to-date and exciting tips and tricks. So grab your popcorn and drinks, and let's dive right into the video. Step 1. The 70-30 Rule. The foundational principle we're embarking upon is what we affectionately term the 70-30 Rule. This ingenious approach has the potential to revolutionize your financial journey, propelling you towards a trajectory of remarkable success. The crux of the matter lies in its simplicity. Devote 70% of your hard-earned income to sustaining your livelihood, while judiciously channeling the remaining 30% towards strategic avenues that can shape your financial destiny. Let's delve into this paradigm-shifting strategy, envisioning the flow of your monetary resources into distinct categories, each laden with purpose and promise. At the pinnacle of this allocation stands the invaluable act of giving, an endeavor that echoes with benevolence and empathy. This altruistic reservoir, designated to receive 10% of your earnings. Within this realm, you have the power to sow the seeds of change, allocating these funds to uplift your community, support causes that resonate deeply with your values, or even to dedicate your precious time towards effecting positive transformations. As you nurture this spirit of philanthropy, you're not merely making financial contributions, but also cultivating a sense of fulfillment that radiates far beyond the realms of mere numbers. Another crucial facet of this financial architecture entails directing 10% of your resources towards the noble endeavor of debt reduction. By embarking on this expedition, you embark on a voyage to liberate yourself from the clutches of high-interest obligations. Much like a skilled mariner navigating through treacherous waters, you sympathetically chip away at these financial burdens, witnessing the gradual alleviation of your fiscal encumbrances. As your debt diminishes, so does the weight tethering you to the past, bestowing upon you a newfound sense of freedom and empowerment. The final 10% beacons as the gateway to the realm of investments, a realm brimming with potential and promise. Within this sphere, you harness the power to nurture and germinate your wealth systematically. This designated portion serves as the wellspring from which you can partake in the riveting game of investments, a game where each move brings you closer to realizing your aspirations. This isn't just about accumulating assets. It's about orchestrating a symphony of financial instruments that will eventually compose the harmonious melody of passive income. With each carefully calculated step, you inch closer to the realization of your dreams, unlocking doors that lead to a world teeming with opportunities. In the grand tapestry of the 70-30 rule, your income isn't just money. It's the brushstroke which you paint the canvas of your life. The allocation of these percentages isn't merely about numbers. It's about crafting a masterpiece of financial stability and prosperity. Through this deliberate distribution, you're creating a holistic ecosystem where your earnings don't just sustain you, but catapult you towards uncharted horizons. Picture this allocation as a symphony, the crescendo of giving, the rhythmic beat of debt reduction, and the melodic hum of investments. These elements harmonize to create a melodious composition that resonates with abundance and promise. With the passage of time, this symphony becomes the soundtrack of your success story, reverberating with the resonance of prudent decisions and strategic maneuvering. Embracing the 70-30 rule isn't merely a financial strategy. It's a philosophy that infuses intentionality into your financial dealings. It's a reminder that your money isn't just a tool, but a reflection of your values, aspirations, and potential to effect positive change. As you embark on this journey, remember that every dollar is a choice, and every choice contributes to the tapestry of your financial future. So, let the 70-30 rule be your guiding star, illuminating the path to a future where abundance and fulfillment converge in perfect harmony. Step 2. Assets versus liabilities. Having grasped the foundational 70-30 rule, let's delve into the critical assets versus liabilities distinction. The essence is clear. Assets bolster your income, while liabilities drain it. Picture assets as income-generating champions, exemplified by rental properties sustaining steady cash flow. Conversely, liabilities lure with allure, but drain resources. Think flashy cars or non-income producing possessions. Visualize assets as pillars fortifying your financial edifice, steadily enriching you. Rental properties, for instance, mirror nature's reliable ebb and flow, supplying consistent financial abundance. Liabilities, however, masquerade as enhancers while corroding finances over time. Discernment is key, recognizing assets that amplify and liabilities that erode your fiscal standing. Every choice becomes a strategic move in your financial journey. Assets reinforce, liabilities undermine. A pivotal crossroads shaping your prosperity tapestry. Empowered by this knowledge, perceive assets as vigilant guardians, liabilities as scrutinized guests. As you navigate, you sculpt a future where assets flourish and liabilities fade. In this financial canvas, your choices paint the portrait of prosperity, each decision a brushstroke toward a life of abundance, strength, and the pursuit of dreams. Step 3. Infinity Income 5 Types. As we journey forward, let us delve into the realm of infinity income, an avenue through which the seeds of your financial empire can take root and flourish. This concept encompasses 5 distinct types of income sources that offer the promise of perpetual growth: rents, royalties, dividends, interest, and short-term capital gains. These pillars of financial expansion serve as reliable conduits, channeling continuous streams of earnings into your wealth portfolio. Rents stand as sentinels of real estate, guarding over properties that bestow a steady influx of funds as tenants contribute to your coffers. Royalties represent a realm where your creative endeavors, whether in literature, music, or art, continue to bear fruit long after their inception, creating an unending symphony of income. Dividends evoke the image of a bountiful harvest, as your investments in stocks and equities yield a regular share of the company's earnings, culminating in a perpetual financial yield. Interest serves as a faithful companion, multiplying your initial investments in bonds, saving accounts, and loans, generating a consistent flow of funds over time. Lastly, short-term capital gains mirror the agility of a skilled trader, capitalizing on market fluctuations to reap profits, a dance between buying and selling that promises perpetual growth. Yet, beyond the realm of numbers lies the profound impact of giving back. Benevolence isn't just a transaction with a cause. It's an exchange that enriches your very being. Engaging in acts of charity resonates beyond monetary contributions, forging new connections and kindling avenues of opportunity. The act of contributing not only betters the lives of others, but also cultivates a tapestry of connections that can potentially open doors to new horizons. This intricate dance between giving and receiving forms a cycle of abundance that extends beyond the confines of mere finances. Lastly, let us underscore the golden rule of financial success: living within your means. This fundamental principle serves as a compass guiding your fiscal voyage. By making conscious choices in your spending patterns and diligently steering clear of unnecessary debt, you lay the foundation for a future where your assets ceaselessly toil on your behalf. Picture this journey as a grand tapestry, each thread interwoven with strategic decisions and deliberate actions. The quest for infinity income embodies a symphony of perpetual growth, where various streams of revenue harmonize to create a melodious composition of financial prosperity. Yet, remember that this journey isn't solely about the destination. It's about your experiences along the way. Every act of giving shapes not only the lives of others, but also your own, forging connections that enrich the tapestry of your existence. As you stride forward on this path, envision a world where infinity income fuels your ambitions, where giving and receiving form an inseparable dance, and where living within your means paves the way for your assets to labor tirelessly on your behalf. With each step, you inch closer to a future where the symphony of prosperity reverberates through each facet of your life, painting a portrait of abundance, fulfillment, and the pursuit of dreams. Always bear in mind that crafting a passive income empire is a journey requiring patience, unwavering commitment, and a tactical approach. With these 3 fundamental steps as your guiding compass, you're poised to traverse the path toward realizing your financial aspirations. And with that, we conclude today's chapter on constructing a passive income empire. If the insights shared here have proven invaluable to you, we encourage you to express your appreciation by liking, subscribing, and activating the notification bell. This will ensure that you remain connected to our enriching reservoir of financial wisdom. And that wraps up another informative yet entertaining session with us. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, as you embark on your financial journey, it's important to strike a balance between seriousness and a healthy sense of humor. After all, finance doesn't have to be all seriousness. Until our next episode, keep honing your financial skills with a smile, because laughter and financial prosperity go hand in hand. Wishing you financial success.